Want to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Samsung Smart TV in 2026? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to set it up step by step, plus what to do if the app doesn't appear on your TV. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Samsung Smart Hub. Press the Home button on your Samsung remote. This will open the Samsung Smart Hub on your TV. Step 2. Go to the Apps section. Using the directional buttons on your remote, navigate to Apps. Press Enter to open the Samsung App Store. Step 3. Search for IPTV Smarters Pro. Now select the search icon at the top of the screen. Type IPTV Smarters Pro using the on-screen keyboard. If the app appears in your region, select it from the search results. Step 4. Install the app. Choose Install and wait for the app to download and install on your Samsung Smart TV. This usually takes less than a minute. Important note, on some Samsung TVs and regions in 2026, IPTV Smarters Pro may not appear in the App Store because of Tizen OS restrictions or regional limitations. If that happens, you can use alternatives like SS IPTV, IBO Player, or connect a Fire TV stick or Android TV box to your Samsung TV. Step 5. Open IPTV Smarters Pro and log in. Once installed, open the IPTV Smarters Pro app from your apps list. Now enter the login details provided by your IPTV service provider. This usually includes username, password, portal URL or Xtream Codes API. After entering the details, select Login. Step 6. Start streaming. After logging in, your channels, movies, and series will load automatically. You can now stream IPTV content directly on your Samsung Smart TV. For smoother streaming in 2026, many users recommend using a wired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for better stability. Step 7. Fix common problems. If the app is not working or channels are not loading, first double-check your login details. Then restart the app and your TV. If IPTV Smarters Pro still doesn't work on your Samsung TV, it may be blocked or unsupported on your TV model or region in 2026. In that case, using an external streaming device like a Firestick is usually the easiest fix. And that's it, your Samsung Smart TV is ready for IPTV streaming. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you need help with anything else.